Hey everyone, this is Gus Hatspavlidis, Associate Territory Manager in District CC. Today I'm going to demonstrate how to utilize the Pioneer Seeds app and Granular Insights app with scouting. So first I went to my Granular Insights app, selected my customer, chose the field first of all. After selecting my scouting priority, this tells me where I want to go when using my time to scout my customers' fields and looking at products out in the field. So first I went to the pivot 1 because I've seen that risen up a few times. Now in this part of the field I could see the darker areas showing where I wanted to be focusing my time. So first went to that part of the field, the north half of the circle there, dropped the pin. I saw on the pivot it shows the current crop, the location, and I saved this pin to see where I was and where I went. Then I would go back to the Pioneer Seeds app. After looking at that field and scouting and taking a few pictures, I go to Threat ID, Capture Threat, go to my pictures, click on the picture I took of the field and where it was. And during that time, I found northern leaf blight in the field, uploaded the picture there, and then I pressed Share Threat, and then I text it to my customer. And my customer will get a PDF of what I saw and where I saw it, and he can go back into his Granular Insights account after I was permissioned in to see where I was exactly with that pin, and that lets me prioritize my time when I'm scouting and to show my customers where exactly I saw the threats and where they need to focus their areas moving forward. Maybe that's a fungicide application or something like that. So toggling in between the apps is very easy as well. After you swipe up or double tap on your home screen, it goes back and forth to both apps. Very easy, seamless movement there. Thank you.
That concludes this Pioneer Agronomy video podcast. Visit our page on pioneer.com and follow us on Twitter and Facebook for more agronomy insights.